Here's how to animate 3D interactive chemistry reactions in just a few minutes using these 4 steps. For step 1, you don't have to buy or download anything. You just click the link to launch the Genesis simulator in your browser. And with one click, you are in this continuous universe where you can spawn everything from elements to macromolecules and see how they react. For step 2, let's explore the interface. In the left panel, you'll see elements and diatomics. Under elements, you can spawn atoms of those different elements and look at their valence orbital to see how many paired and unpaired electrons they have to form bonds. And with those, you can build different structures. In diatomics, you'll see pairs of the different elements where you can explore things like bond order, so single, double, triple bonds, or bond type like covalent ionic. In the right panel, you'll see components, monocentrics, polycentrics, and macromolecules. These buttons show compact formulas, but you can hover over with your mouse to reveal the name. Components are radicals and functional groups that you can combine to form polycentric molecules, so molecules with more than one central atom. Under monocentrics is a list of molecules with one central atom that you can spawn and interact. Under polycentrics, you'll see a list of different molecular structures that have more than one central atom that you can also spawn. And under macromolecules, you'll be able to spawn larger structures with multiple functional groups or repeating units like polymers. Step 3 is to spawn structures. You can spawn whatever you like, but here are some suggestions. You can spawn hydrogen and lithium to see an ionic bond. You can form diatomic molecules and explore the differences in their bond order. H2, for example, has a single covalent bond or a sigma bond. O2 has a sigma and a pi bond, so a double bond. And N2 has a sigma and 2 pi bonds, so a triple bond. I've even coded in tails like a comet for these electrons so that you can see where they've been and where they're going when you screenshot them, which is not the case in chemistry because of the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, but it's fun. You can spawn water by spawning an oxygen and 2 hydrogens. Water is a great example of bent molecular geometry. If you spawn a whole bunch of water molecules, you'll get to see them interact and form hydrogen bonds. Under monocentrics, if you spawn hydronium or ammonium and hydroxide or water, you'll see acid-base reactions start to unfold. In the top middle, you'll see a search bar that when you start typing a name or the formula of the structure that you want, it'll start to filter out these long lists of structures that we've coded into the software. To see a combustion reaction, you can spawn a hydrocarbon like methane and oxygen, molecular oxygen. You can also spawn cyclic structures like benzene and cyclopropane. This is great for exploring ring geometries and different conformations like chair and boat. You can even spawn a polymer to see its repeating units and how the structure changes shape the longer it gets. So say you've spawned benzene, and you want to export. On the bottom left, you'll see export. To use this, you just need to click the structure that you want to export and click Save Molecule, and it'll export it into JSON and to our virtual reality viewer. All right, it's your turn to explore. Open Genesis, I've linked it below. If you comment a chemistry structure or reaction you'd love to see, or even an improvement or a new feature, then I'll add it to our research and development roadmap. Thank you so much for watching.